Are you talking to me?
No, she's crying.
Hey, kitty girl. Where's Grandma's talking? Hey, pretty woman. Over here at Grandma's. Oh, yes, Grandma's. Hi. Oh, are you talking to me? Are you talking or singing? Are you talking or singing? Hi. That's a pretty baby. Hey, baby. Oh. She said, Claire, I'm talking. Heard you be talking? Yeah, I know. You tell her. Tell her you're talking. Tell her, say I'm talking. Leave me alone.
Show like
Oh. I was talking to Grandma. Yeah, I was. I was talking to Grandma over here. That pretty girl. Ooh, that's a serious face. Listen to her. Her chewing. You caught out a growl? Not from the baby. How is it going? She said, Mel, where are you going? Come around here, I talked to you. Oh. I'm so pretty, I'm talking. I'm so pretty, talking. Yeah, you tell her. Tell her, say, Grandma's over here. She's like, okay, pick me up.
Alright, here. Come to me.